Everybody, this is Gabe. Happy Monday. It's snowing in the state of Minnesota again. We got a blizzard coming in. I know outstate Minnesota, especially in the west, there's a lot of roads closed because of blizzards. There's 40-mile-an-hour blowing snow right now. We got pretty heavy snow coming down in St. Louis Park, Minnesota. I put my husky out for just a minute and he was covered in snow. So it's coming down pretty heavy, and this may be our last snowfall of the year. So I'm really enjoying it. I hope you do too. Plan for a slower commute and enjoy the pretty weather. Hope you guys have a great Monday.